Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So today's pick a card reading is about how they are feeling right now. They could be your partner, your lover, your crush, or could be your ex as well for some. So we have three piles in front of you: pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. For those of you who don't know how to select a pile, you can choose the pile by looking at the crystals or with the number pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3, or with your intuition as well, the pile you feel most drawn to, most attracted to, or with timestamps as well if you feel more attracted to numbers. Now, meditate on each pile and choose the pile with your intuition as well. Pause the video if you'd like to. Take your time, pick a pile, and once you're done with the selection, you can check the description box below and forward the video to your respective timestamps. Welcome pile 1 for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages we have for you and how are they feeling right now. So we will look into the messages from the Monology Oracle and the Romance Angels later. I only intend to choose one card as a guidance for you people from Monology Oracle. Okay, so we will look into these messages later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck pile 1. So we have for you the Page of Pentacles. Okay. Then we have the Judgment card. We have the Eight of Cups. We have the Sun card. Okay. We have the Two of Cups as well. And we have the Knight of Swords. Okay. So pile 1, the first thing I feel is they are having, very romantic feelings towards you. I feel a very passionate energy, someone really wants to be close here. Okay. So yes, pile 1, like right now they could be focusing on their career, or maybe, for some of you, like they could be really confused about committing and making that move towards you right now. For some of you, yes, you could feel that your partner or your crush, the one who is on your mind right now, like they are emotionally not available to you. Maybe for some of you, like your partner, your lover, like they are spending time all by themselves now, so it might cause you some worry, but yes, soon they are going to get that clarity of mind. And for some of you, they could be thinking about getting their dream job or promotion, like they really wanted to be financially sound, and yes, financially they want to be very stable before they come and express their true feelings to you. But yes, as soon as they get their clarity of mind, yes, then they are going to come towards you. Pile 1, they are feeling like that you are their soulmate, yes, and they are feeling that passion, and they want to come closer to you, yes. And also I feel that their love is very deep for you. I feel that they feel a very deep connection on an emotional level with you people. And also I feel like they think of you as someone who is very joyful, and you are like the sunshine in their life. But yes, Palwan, they could be like sometimes in and out of this relationship. Like for some of you, they come and talk to you someday, and then the next day, like they are on their own. Yes. And um, I feel that could be because they like to be that free kind of person. Like you know uh, they are really thinking a lot. They are like could be afraid of making that commitment. Yes. But yes, they really feel a deep connection with you. Yes, they really love you, Palwan. Yes. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the Romance Angels. So from the Romance Angels, Palwan, we have for you passion. Okay. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Yes. As I told you earlier, someone is really feeling very passionate. Yes. And we have getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Okay. And we have true love. Wow, this is the romance of a lifetime. Okay. So, pile one, yes, they are feeling, that passion towards you. And also, angels, they are guiding you to, you know, learn to have passion in your own life as well, towards your own hobby, you know, because as you know as you are going to have that passion in your own life, it will help flow positivity into your love life as well, Palwan. Yes. And if you are already in a relationship, then yes, learn to enjoy your moments together. Yes, which in turn helps to deeper your romantic life as well. Yes. And then we have, yes, getting to know each other. So yes, try to get to know each other more on an emotional level. Yes, express your true feelings. And yes, also, yes, I feel that uh, both of your lifestyle could be a little different. Yes, the person whom you are thinking of right now, yes, you could be a like different kind of person. But yes, angels, they wants you to know that yes, this person is your true love, and this is the romance of a lifetime. Yes, angels are watching you here as well. Yes, and they are guiding you uh, towards this path. We have the sun card as well, and we have the two of cups as well. So yes, angel wants you to know that they are your true love. But yes, they are taking some time to come towards you. But as soon as they are clear in their mind, yes, as soon as the confusion is gone, then yes, they are going to come towards you. Now let's see what guidance we have for you from the Monology Oracle, Palwan. So we have for you a time for healing. Okay. So pile one, yes, angels, they are guiding you that you need to have patience, and also you need to focus on your self care as well. Yes. Also with this card, pile one, I feel that the person whom you are thinking of right now, like they have been through something, like emotionally they are not happy, they could be healing themselves from something right now. Yes, and maybe for some of you, you know it could be like they were in a relationship before, and yes, and they haven't still, let go of their past completely, and they are afraid to make any move towards you as well. But yes, as soon as they are going to heal themselves, yes, things are about to turn positively for you, Palwan. In the meantime, angels are guiding you to surrender yourself to the angels, to the divine. Have faith in the angels, and yes, focus on your own life as well. Focus on your hobbies. Take care of yourself as well. Yes, focus on your self care, and yes, have faith in the angels that yes, they are going to come towards you. So yes, that was all for you, pile one. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if you like my reading, if the messages resonated with you, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile one. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 2. For those of you who choose this crystal, now let's see what messages we have for you and how are they feeling right now. So we will look into the messages from the Monology Oracle and the Romance Angels later. I only intend to choose one card from the Monology Oracle as a guidance for you people, pile 2. So we will look into these messages later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So pile 2, from the tarot deck, we have for you the Three of Wands. Okay. Then we have the Tower card. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Then we have the Queen of Pentacles. We have the Ace of Cups as well. We have the Hanged Man. We have the Knight of Cups. Okay. So, pile 2, I feel that for some of you, you could be in a long distance relationship or an online relationship, and also for some of you, I feel that, you both could have, ended this relationship if you are already in a relationship. Yes, and for some of you, I feel that, uh, they might have their own personal issues, or they could have gone from some loss, at their work or in their career as well. Yes, and but yes, soon things are going to change into positive directions. Yes, and I also feel that, they are going to be very good in their career. Yes, in their finances as well. Yes, and I also feel that, yes, pile 2, yes, they they are going to, feel that affection and love towards you. Yes, for some of you, this could be an ex. Yes, they are now realizing your love that they have for you. Yes, and they could be thinking and considering about, coming back towards you. Yes. And also, for those of you who are single, yes, things are about to turn in your favor. Yes, that person is going to realize the love they have for you. Yes. And yes, things are going to move into positive new beginnings, and yes, they are going to offer you their love. But right now, I feel that, still they could be really confused, and they could be still thinking of making that move, that commitment towards you. And yes, as I told you earlier, they could be working really hard in their career, and also I feel that they have some own personal issues in their life that they could be working on. Yes. uh, but yes, they do love you. I feel that. And also, uh, I feel that right now that person, they could be thinking to have a future with you, and also they are thinking about new beginnings. And yes, possibly they are thinking, to take this relationship to the next level as well. Yes, in the near future. And yes, they are coming towards you, and they are going to offer you, that marriage a proposal. Yes, they are going to express their love towards you. Yes, they feel very connected towards you, pile 2. And I feel that, you people are my viewers. You need to have faith, and you need to surrender yourself to the angels, to the universe. Yes, and also have faith in your person as well, and in this relationship, if you are already in a relationship. Yes. And also, I feel that you people, my viewers, as you have been, waiting for them, you also need to focus on your personal life as well. You need to focus on your career, your studies as well. Yes, because I feel that yes, they are going to come towards you to offer you their love again. Yes, they are going to feel that love for you again if you have been separated. Yes, because this relationship is destined to be in your life. Yes. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So pile 2, we have for you calling in your soulmate. Okay. Then we have healing family issues. Okay. So yes, this also could be the reason that they could be taking time. Yes, maybe they are still convincing their parents, or they are trying to solve any family issues that they have right now. Reconciliation. Okay, someone from your past is returning to your life. So yes, for some, your ex could return to your life, and we have forgiving and learning. Okay. So yes, pile 2, you know angels want you to know that yes, you need to keep praying and asking, and you need to start thinking positive thoughts and visualize that you both are together. you know yes, as you keep praying and asking to the angels about yes, your love life. Yes, you are going to manifest that person into your life. Yes. And also we have the healing family issues card. So for those of you who have been separated, yes, your ex, or if you are in no contact right now, then yes, that person could be healing their family issues, because I feel that for some of you, their parents or their family could not have supported your love your relationship. So yes, they could be working on that issue as well, and as soon as that issue is solved, so yes, they are going to come towards you and they are going to offer you their love again. Yes, for some of you they could even ask for marriage as well. So yes, someone is returning from your past, so your ex could return and you both could reconcile with each other. And yes, for some of you, with this card I feel that some of you could forgive them, and you could let go of any issues that you had in the past, and you reconcile with each other, and yes, you move towards a new beginning with each other. But for some people I feel that you are going to release them, and you are going to move towards a new beginning on your own. Yes, and then someone new is going to come into your life to offer you their love. You are going to release your ex for some of you, but for others, yes, your ex is going to come back, and yes, your relationship is moving into a new level, is positive level ahead. And yes, now let's see what messages we have for you from the Monology Oracle Pile 2. So we have show the world the real you. Okay, so Pile 2, yes, angels, they are guiding you that you need to detach yourself from this situation. Yes, keep visualizing, keep praying, and please keep having positive thoughts, and let everything else on the divine and the angels. Yes, and have faith in them that yes, things are going to work out for you. Yes, and in the meantime, you need to focus on yourself as well, on your career, your studies as well. Yes, on your self care as well for some of you. Yes, and also with this card, I feel that some of you, it could be like you could be thinking of yes, letting go of your past relationship, and you could be moving ahead. And for some of you, like it could be like they could be thinking of like moving on with their life. So yes, you could be releasing past energies. Yes, and reconcile with them. Yes, so pile 2, yes, I feel that yes, they are going to come towards you. They are thinking about you, and they love you. Yes, they feel connected to you. So yes, keep praying, keep visualizing. Yes, and have positive thoughts about your love life, pile 2. Yes, so that was all for you, pile 2. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 3, for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages we have for you and how are they feeling right now. So we will look into the messages from the Monology Oracle and the Romance Angels later. I only intend to choose one card from the Monology Oracle as a guidance for you in this situation. Okay, so we will look into these messages later. First, let's start with the tarot deck, pile 3. So we have for you the Ten of Swords. Okay, then we have the Ace of Wands. We have the Seven of Cups. We have the Four of Wands. Okay. We have the Four of Cups. We have the Emperor. And we have the Ace of Swords. Okay. So, pile 3, the first thing I noticed in this reading is that, we have the 4, 4, and 4 in this reading, which is an angel number. So, pile 3, yes, you are being protected by angels and the universe, and also, they are guiding you on whatever you are focusing on right now. So, now, okay, let's get into the reading. So, pile 3, I feel that, you both could have, ended your relationship if you are thinking about your ex right now, or for those of you who are, still single and you have your crush or someone in your mind, then yes, I feel that that there could have been certain problems in their life, and they could have faced a certain loss, or could be on an emotional level, like they could have ended their relationship with their past, or they could have had certain problems at their work, in their career as well. Yes, but right now, yes, things are moving on, in positive directions for them. Yes, um, and also, I feel that, some of them, they are working really hard in their career right now. Yes, and they are having a lot of ideas, and I feel that they are really creative, and that person is really hardworking, very workaholic, and yes, they are really focusing on their career. And also, I feel that for some of you, it could be like, they are thinking about whether to go for their career or for this relationship. Yes, and also, yes, they are really confused that what next step they should take forward. Yes, but also I feel that uh, they are also, for some of you, yes, they are thinking of marriage as well. Yes, taking this relationship to the next level, because I feel that for those of you who are already in relationship, yes, your relationship has that very solid foundations, and you people uh, you people have that deeper understanding with each other. But also I feel that there is some something missing in this relationship. Could be like, uh, if you're if the one that is on your mind right now, if they are really, that person is really focused on their career, then it could be like, you feel that they are not emotionally available to you. And also for some of you, I feel that romance could be missing in this relationship as well. So I feel that my viewers are right now really worried, and you are not happy with what they have to offer you. Yes, because I feel that yes, that person is coming towards you to offer you their love, but what they are offering you, my views are not emotionally satisfied with that. So yes, I feel that pile 3, you people need to focus on your own career as well, and also you need to look into positive things in your life. Yes, and also yes, I feel that yes, they are really focusing on their career right now. And also I feel that they are really confused, and as soon as they are going to have that clarity of mind, yes, as soon as they will be able to think about that, yes, whether to uh, just focus on their career or to move on with you as well. So yes, as soon as they are going to have that clarity of mind, they are going to come towards you. But yes, I feel that for some of you, yes, they love you, but for some of you, I feel that yes, you could have ended this relationship, or they could have ended this relationship, and that person is really focusing on their uh, career, and they are going to they wanted to build a very solid foundation at their work, in their finances as well. Yes, they want they are so focused in their career that they wanted to be in that higher position at their work, in their career. So yes, for some of you, I feel that that person is all about their work. But for some of you, I feel that yes, they are going to come, they could be thinking of taking this relationship to the next level. But I feel that something is really missing. My viewers are emotionally not very happy. Like, could be, yes, romance could be missing, I feel, in this relationship. Yes, also I feel that this could be a third party situation as well. For some of you, I feel that that person is considering other options over you as well. Yes, that is also possible for some of you. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So from the romance angels pile 3, we have for you unrequited love. Okay, so yes, angels are also guiding you that there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Okay, so yes, and we have keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. And then we have worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your life. Okay, and we have you deserve love, and we have release your ex. Okay, so yes, pile 3, as I told you earlier, romance and enough attraction, chemistry is really missing in this relationship. Yes, and angels are also guiding you that to keep this relationship moving forward, yes, you need to have that bonding with each other. Yes, and also for some of you, it could be like it's time to release your past. Yes, and they could be, thinking of, moving on with their life, and they could be thinking, they could be focusing all about on their work, and they could be moving on from love as well. Yes, and I feel that angels are guiding you, pile 3, that yes, you need to keep an open mind. Yes, because yes, if you release your ex, then yes, someone new is going to come into your life to offer you their love, and that person, that person may differ from your usual types and expectations. So yes, it could be like both of you have, different choices, like different lifestyles. Yes, for some of you it could be like, yes, that, they are very different from you. Yes, but yes, angels, they want you to know that yes, you deserve love, pile 3. You are a very lovable person, and if for some of you, if you want to, if you want to wait for them, then yes, this relationship is also worth waiting for some of you, because yes, uh, we have the marriage card as well. So yes, for some of you, they could be thinking of taking this relationship to the next level. They could be thinking of committing towards you, but it is going to happen on the divine timing. Yes, when it is going to happen, it is going to happen at that time. So yes, now let's see what messages we have for you from the Monology Oracle. So from the Monology Oracle, pile 3, we have for you, step out of your comfort zone, North Node. Okay. So pile 3, angels are guiding you that, you need to stop obsessing over someone. Yes, maybe for some of you, you could be thinking about your ex, and angels, they are asking you that, you need to release your ex, and because there wasn't enough attraction, chemistry, enough love to keep that relationship going. Yes, and you need to keep an open mind about your love life. Yes, and know that you deserve love, and yes, the, you know that person is going to come into your life at divine timing. And also with this card, I feel that yes, angels wants you to know that you are heading in the right direction, pile 3. And also we have the 444 number in this reading. So yes, angels, they are guiding you, they are supporting you on whatever you are focusing on right now. But with this card, for some of you, yes, angels, they are guiding you that it's time to leave the past, and yes, moving on with your life. So yes, pile 3, I feel that the one you are thinking of right now, they are thinking about their career, they are considering, options, and also they are, really confused about whether to go for their career or this relationship. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope you all have a good day, and I wish you the best in your love life as well. So, yes, that was all for you. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.